Hey guys, today we're going to review the basic elements in Junctions 11 Picardy and Arcady. So before we even start to build the model, there's certain things that we should set up to make our model more easy to navigate and more accessible. And it's also going to help us with the workflow, especially if we work with multiple files and junctions. It could get messy down the line. So the first thing I would do is just to go to the units under data units, and then just set up the desired units. And depends on your location. So for example, in the UK, we would use meters and miles per hour. And then you can check the traffic units. You can put it in PCU and vehicles, and it depends on the purpose of the project or the task. And there's more additional uh, units we can set up here, but we can always change it down the line. The second thing I would do is to actually choose the name of the junction. We can double press here on the junction and then just give it a name. That will help us to keep things more organized. And we can also choose the junction type. Yeah. And I would also say that it's good if we actually name each arm in a different name so we can identify it and it will be easier. We can, for example, write here Harley Street. And here we can put maybe side access and so on. Yeah, so basically that's the most important things to do before actually starting to build the model itself. There are, of course, many settings, and no needs to bother with it at the beginning, like at this stage. Just let's keep it simple. That's enough. And in the next episode, I would demonstrate how to build a junction from scratch. Thank you.